In this video, we're going to talk about 9.2 Objective 4, where we find and interpret p-values for a hypothesis test. So this is what I was talking a little bit about last time, about how we can just compare our p-value from our hypothesis test in our calculator with our alpha and make a decision without needing to draw a rejection region. So let's go ahead and do that here. We're going to be conducting z-tests again, it looks like, and they just give us enough information here to say that stat tests, z-test, if we had 0 and 1, because they've already made a z-value. They made a z-value of negative 2.2. We don't need an n in our calculation. We'll just put that as 1. And we have a equal to situation for h naught. So we have a, well, they tell us HA is a less than situation. Perfect. And so we want to calculate that and get a p-value of 0.01, which is less than our alpha of 0.05. So we're in our rejection region. We're going to reject H naught. So 3 decimal places here, 0.014. The p-value is less than or equal to alpha, the level of significance, so we reject H naught, and the alternative hypothesis is supported. Let's do this again. Very rare that you're going to get a z-value given to you in the problem, so this is kind of a strange setup to do 0 and 1 here. They're going to tell you that this is 2.3 for our z-value. Leave that as 1. Our alternative now is strictly greater than. We're going to calculate this, and we're going to get a p-value of 0.0107. That's more normal to go to 4 decimal places with a p-value. Not sure why we only did 3 last time, but we did. And this p-value is greater than alpha. It's just slightly greater than alpha, but it is greater than alpha. Alpha is 0.01, so we are not in our rejection region. So we are going to fail to reject H naught. So the p-value is more than the level of significance. Do not reject H naught. The alternative hypothesis is not supported. Let's make sure that I said that correctly up here. P-value is less than or equal to the level of significance. I chose the wrong one up here. There we go. That one. P-value is less than or equal to the level of significance. Reject H naught. The alternative hypothesis is supported. All right, let's go ahead and look at this one. Stat tests, z-test, and they give us 2.2 for our z-value again, and they tell us that we have a not equal to situation here. We want to calculate, and we get a p-value of 0.0278, and our p-value is less than our alpha. So we are going to reject H naught. There we go. Find the p-value that corresponds to the given standard score. keep going with this. Z-test 0.1, 0.6, and let's see here. We have U is, don't worry about what they say mu is here because they've already converted to Z for you. So this has to do with our X values. What we need to worry about is the sign here that this is not equal to. So calculate here, and you get, see that Z is 0.06 there. The P is 0.5485. That's definitely bigger than my alpha of 10%. So I'm going to fail to reject H naught, and the alternative hypothesis is not supported. Another video for you to watch here about finding p-values. A particular hypothesis test is right-tailed, and the area to the right of the test statistic is 0.08. What is the p-value? It is 0.08 since it was one-tailed. Only when it's two-tailed do we need to do something to double it to find the p-value. Particular hypothesis test is left-tailed, and the area to the left of the test statistic is 0.20. What is the p-value? It is 0.20. Particular hypothesis test is two-tailed, and the area to the right of the test statistic is 0.06. What is the p-value? It's 0.12. You have to double it because there's two tails there. Particular hypothesis test is two-tailed, and the area to the right of the test statistic is 0.35. What is the p-value? It's 0.70. Particular hypothesis test is two-tailed, and the area to the left of the test statistic is 0.07. What's the p-value? We double it and we get 0.14. The calculator does this already for us, so we don't need to double anything that's on the calculator. It takes care of the doubling when it reports the p-value to us. So that's what's nice about the calculator. All right, that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about 9.2 Objective 5. See you for the next video.